Alright, just got back to the apartment. That was a good session. Just need to go and get some more food. I'm running a bit low on the burgers. I've got one over here, which I will have now, and then pop to the butcher and get some more. Hello. 40 grams of butter on a pretty high heat, 8 out of 9. So I got 4 on, just because that's all I can fit in the pan. And I'll just put some salt on these and yeah, cook them till they're pretty brown on one side. Flip them over. Shouldn't take too long, no longer than about 10 minutes I reckon. And then we'll be good to go. Just flip them over, looking good. Beautiful. And then I pour all the butter like straight over it as well, make them nice and juicy. Doing the carnivore here got off to a bit of a shaky start. I went to 3 different supermarkets and couldn't really find too much beef or even lamb. The only stuff I found was like the super expensive cuts. But ordering a Burger King on the Wolt app, it's like Deliveroo or Uber Eats. So I just ended up ordering 3 double cheeseburgers and just having the patties from those on the first night. Then the next day I found a butcher like just across the road, which you would have seen already. And yeah, I've just been getting the burgers and having like 8 or 9 of those a day. And as you can see, they're looking pretty good. This is what I've been having every day. And it costs for just over 2 kilos, it was 25 euros. So, and yeah, like 2,400 lek in the local currency for, didn't say how much on there, but it's about, that was for 13 burgers and they're like 150 grams each. So yeah, once you found a good place to get your meat from, these were grass-fed as well, which is a bonus. So yeah, once I found this place, it's been pretty easy. I've just been having 8 or 9 a day, and it's kept me nice and full. So I'm going to tuck into these now. If you want some help trying to lean down, see some abs, I do offer one-to-one coaching, so click the first link in the description. And yeah, apart from that, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Look at this sunset, by the way. Great way to end the trip. Off back to the UK tomorrow. But it's been a great week.